This is the Oculus headset by Facebook or Meta, and this is what people consider the Metaverse. They're doing beta testing right now. They have an invite only app called Horizon Worlds. It allows you to go in, experience the Metaverse. You can play games, you can hang out, and you can also build your own environments and attend events as well. I looked at something where they had Chance the Rapper performing. It was pretty cool. These right here, these are different environments I've created. This over here to the right is going to be like a sports complex, the basketball goal and stuff. And this one right here that I'm opening, it's going to be a house or just an indoor area. Yeah. Still trying to figure out what to do with it as I'm learning how to work the controls and all of that. But yeah, it's pretty cool. So from my understanding, if you create these worlds, your name will be attached to them as the metaverse grows. So as you can see right here, I put up like 3 walls that give you basic shapes to work with. It's not anything intricate right now. Like you can't really take, there's not a library of things that you can use to create. You basically have to take shapes and then out of those shapes create what you want. So this is the start of creating at home. So yeah, if you look around, I got the 3 walls up. Probably gonna put a roof on there. I changed the sun. I changed the environment to a sunset. So as you can see, it looks like the sun is going down or coming up rather, sunrise. You can change it to daytime, nighttime, whatever you want to do. Also, the music that you hear, that is background music that I got playing. So right here I have a script that opens, it plays a sound when you first join. There, this is where the environment is controlled. So we open this up right here, gives you a menu. And this is where you can make those changes to the environment. So you can, you can add fall in there, you can do all type of stuff. You can animate some stuff. So yeah, that controls the environment. As you can see, I made it daytime. And up here in the top left, that's the background music that's playing. And it just loops over and over. Very select amount of music you can play right now. You can't upload your own music, so. But yeah, these are the basic bare bones of what the metaverse is gonna be and what you can do. I'm excited about building stuff for it. And hopefully this space, if I put enough time into it, it could be the space that welcomes people to the metaverse, who are not familiar with this type of stuff. Trying to create a unique space that will introduce people to the metaverse in a way that they're familiar with, if that makes sense. So I'm gonna head over here and I'm gonna take a selfie. Open up the camera, get the selfie stick. So you have like this little watch screen to control that has all your controls and stuff. So yeah, that's my avatar right there. You can't get, super creative with the avatars yet. So I had to take what I had and do the best that I could. I think it's close enough. That's it. That's the metaverse. At least the beginning.